Welcome back to Sparks and Recreation. Living the dream here. It's like 5:30 in the morning. Emptying a poop tube. Basically watching the sun come up, which is nice. We booked a wild horses tour for yesterday, but there's a hurricane coming through that's supposed to hit this area in like New York City for the first time in like 30 years. And the effects of that have been hitting us for the last 24 hours. We were out on the beach yesterday when we got a notice saying that we had to come out because there's riptide, and then right after that we got a call saying that they canceled our tour last night. They rebooked it for 8 a.m. today. 8 a.m. today is 2 hours from where we're at, so we had to be on the road by like 6 to make it there. But the problem is it's still, I don't know if you can tell, it's starting to rain again. There's lightning in the distance. I'm getting soaked loading the car and everything. Anyways, we have to start heading there because I don't know what time they get in to tell everybody they're canceled, because if they do cancel it, then whatever, it's not that big of a deal. We get our like $300 back. But if they don't cancel it and I'm not there in time, then we lose our $300 since we didn't show up. So we have to head that way. Oh, that is pretty. There's a couple other people up moving already, which I'm surprised. There's this many campers getting up and going. Flooded part of this. Oh boy. It rained only for like an hour and it's already flooded this road. Alright guys, where are we? We're at Corolla Beach about to do a horse tour. We're in the back of some truck. Makes us a little nervous because they do have the weekend sticker. It looks like it might rain on us, but we're gonna do the best we can. Alright, we're getting down to the beach here. Do not feed horses, it will kill them. Oh, here we go. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Is somebody taking their minivan out here? Somebody, we're gonna get to see a minivan get stuck, I think. Oh, look at that. There we go. Let's go past that minivan, bro. Oh. This is pretty rough out here. Just gonna send her, bro. Oh, there's so many pieces of bumper and shit.
It's like a derby track.
It literally looks like the Euro track. Look at all the people taking shit that's not supposed to be out here. There's like, oh, here we go. Oh, it is all-wheel drive. It's like Mom and Dad's. Oh, it's so bumpy. Oh my god. You guys having fun so far?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Dad, I saw your whole butt go up.
My whole butt came off. Oh my god! Jump it, dude. Jump it. Pass. Oh, I hit a huge jump, dude. Hit a huge jump. Oh, they're about to crash.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they almost hit.
This is driving your head.
Yeah. So it did make it hard with shells. Oh, this is so close to the water. Vacation here. You have a vacation on the house that's literally like in the water.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
the bats. Oh, you can see it on the video.
What?
Oh, we're about to crash. Sammy. You see it raining out there.
Coda.
It's all flooded. We're trying to go through the not so deep parts, but it's pretty deep. Yeah, we're losing, but it's fun. Just hanging out.
He's chilling. You're just there.
Hey, buddy.
It's like dragging.
I like how he just keeps his one leg a little up. Oh, man, that's all our birds do down. Poor guy. Oh, look at the little birdie with him.
Yeehaw. Let's start biting and kill it.
So the family unit of the horses is called a harem. There's usually an alpha stallion, an alpha mare, 3 to 4 beta mares, and maybe a beta stallion if the alpha allows it. And then these
Yeah. Oh yeah, he hangs out with that horse. Yeah, it's mowing the grass. He does have the cute little dot.
There's definitely bird poop on his back.
Let's start biting and kill it.
Did you see it? What was the bird?
The little bird is like moving so fast.
He doesn't want to get hit. He knows we're coming. I hit zoom too much. The water is coming at us. Let's get past that minivan. We're finally getting past. All right, just made it into Norfolk. Put 150 on this. Should just about fill it where it's at. Time to redo the dolly because, like always, it's coming loose. I don't understand why this thing every couple hundred miles gets loose. It's like it doesn't come off or anything, but like that's not acceptable. So I constantly have to pull and get these tight. So time to do that again. Probably be our last stop under $3 a gallon, unfortunately, too. Hey, geese. Oh, they don't like us.
They're leaving.
Bye-bye, geese. They're kind of... These things are angry with sometimes. Alright, this is Pop's Diner Company. Alright, we're at Pop's Diner Company. And what is this?
This is the BMW waffle.
BMW waffle.
It's like bacon maple waffle or something.
Awesome. What'd you get?
I got a buffalo wrap.
With mac and cheese. You got buffalo wrap with onion rings. Right, you got chicken wrap. Do you need buffalo sauce? No. I can ask for some Texas Pete's over there.
I'll try that.
Alright. And you got a buffalo wrap with mac and
Is there
cheese?
no hot sauce on it, babe?
And I got a... And this is a bacon cheeseburger. I just asked, yeah, double bacon cheeseburger. Alright, we pretty much cleared all of our plates. I think the waffle is the best thing.
Oh, there's something big on my plate, Dad.
Waffle is really good.
Dad, there's
That's like...
something big on my plate.
Your
It's
face
me.
is like buddy.
I know.
There's a big what? Oh, thank you. What was on the what? Every interview with this kid. Alright, what happened?
I put my head on my plate, and then you had no clue what was happening.
Oh, yeah.
So then, it wasn't funny until you started up the video again, and we all started laughing.
But he was telling you there was something big on his plate.
There was something big.
But
There was
really
a savvy.
What he was doing is rubbing his hair in his macaroni and cheese.
The hair is better with mac and cheese. How was yours, Trey?
It was good.
Was it even better once you had that hot sauce on that chicken? Oh, yeah. Dakota, how was yours?
Very good. I ate the entire plate.
He did. That's why the plate's gone.
Yeah.
How about yours, Maggie?
It was good. I ate all my mac and
Mine was
cheese.
good too. It was a, burger with cheese and bacon.
No, just.
I think the Bros one was better.
Yeah, definitely.
Bros.
I think this one was better.
Bro.
We're trying, dude. I don't understand why they don't go all the way to the right and just go up the fucking breakdown lane. Like,
Well, I think that they need to get in this side to get around the barrier that's up.
like that.
But even still,
that cop knows what's up.
I would still say that coming up this side probably still would be your best.
I don't know.
But
Let's see what we got for an accident here. What's it like just happened if all this shit's now coming up? Oh yeah, pile up or something up here?
oh, looks like they're trying to block you from seeing back here.
Oh boy, yeah.
Oh, dang.
Oh, they're pulling out jaws of life. They're stuck in the car.
They've got a group. All the way up here, these things. Dang, and that 4Runner was in such the body was in such good shape.
It's a Visco girl. What?
No.
Yeah, hydro flask.
No.
Do you have a steel straw? Do you like turtles?
I like turtles.
Well, I like turtles too. I'm a Visco girl. Look at these. Oh my god. So delicious looking. Alright, we're almost home. Tomorrow morning we'll have about 3 hours for cooking, going to bed. Say goodnight, everybody. What was everybody's favorite part of the day?
I guess when you guys said that someone was robbing.
I gotta see a giant horse.
A giant horse?
They were tiny.
What he's talking about.
Alright, what was your favorite part, Trey?
Maggie, you should know.
I'm excited about that.
I like the horses.
The horses were pretty
I
sweet.
mean, Sabby liked them for a different reason.
May, what was your favorite? May, what was your favorite part of the day?
What is this different horse?
The horses. It was actually really cool. What was your favorite part?
From the picture, they'll figure it out.
The horses, followed by my waffles. Those were good.
Oh, the waffles are awesome. My favorite part was just riding on the beach on
My favorite
the truck.
part
I felt like I was in the beginning of the Goonies.
I was gonna say that it probably felt like we were in Jurassic Park every time we hit a bumper.
It was kind of like a Jurassic Park thing too. I'll be honest.
I'm gonna put my pants up, so.
Yeah, his face was like cherry red. It was like.
Alright.
It's very difficult.
Alright. Good night, everybody.
Good night.
This will probably be the end of the series, since there's no point in recording the little end of Pennsylvania.
There might be. So.
There might be. I guess if something happens, but whatever.
Yeah,
If we break down.
No, don't talk about that. We already did that.